Hi, welcome back to Building with Legos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this puzzle box. This is the fifth puzzle box. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to build the base now. You're going to need a 6x10 base plate. So now we're going to place some tiles on it. So you're going to need a 2x4 tile, a 1x1 tile, two 2x2 tiles, another 2x4 tile, and a 1x1 tile. Now you're going to need a 1x1 brick, a 1x1 tile, 1x3 brick, a 1x1 plate, 1x4 tile, a 1x1 brick, a 1x2 brick. Then right here in the middle goes a 1x1 plate, and then you're going to need two more 1x1 plates, a 1x1 tile, a 1x2 tile, a 2x2 tile, a 1x1 tile, and a 1x1 plate. So then you're going to need a 2x2 corner brick that goes right there. Then on top of that, you're going to place a 2x2 corner plate. Then you're going to place a 1x2 brick here. Then you're going to need a 1x3 plate, and then under it in the middle, you're going to place a 1x1 plate. And this goes right here. And then a 1x1 tile right here. Now you're going to stack two 1x1 plates. And then you're going to have to do that again. And then these just go right here. And then I'm going to place two 1x2 plates here. Then on top of this, you're going to place a 1x6 plate. And then, so there's two holes here. There's going to be a hole here, there's a hole here, a hole here. And these are spaces where the tool goes in order to push all the moving sliders on the inside, which they rest on these plates. So that's the base. Now we're going to build the drawer. You're going to need a 4x6 plate, and then on top of it, well, actually first we're going to place some plates under it. Under it you're going to place a 1x4 plate and another 1x4 plate, and this has to be spaced out by one stud, and then a 2x3 plate. Now there's one stud on all around it, so put this back over like this. So now on top of it we're going to place a 1x6 plate, another 1x6 plate, two 1x2 plates there and here. Then in the middle we're going to place a 2x4 tile, and then a 1x4 tile right here. Now you're going to need a 1x4 plate, and you're going to need two more. Now we're going to place some bricks, a 2x3 brick, a 1x6 brick, and another 1x3 brick. And then we're gonna cover this in tiles, and I'm using 3 1x4 tiles. And that's the drawer. So there are these holes here. So this is the space for the tile to lock the drawer. So yeah, we're gonna build up of the base. So we're gonna start with a 1x3 plate, and on top of this we're gonna place a 2x4 plate. Now this is overhanging this side by one stud, and there's a stud here. Now in this space, I'm gonna place a 1x4 plate, and under here, right here, I'm gonna place a 1x1 plate, like that, and then a 1x2 tile, right there, and then a 1x1 plate here, and a 1x1 tile on top of it. Okay, so now we're gonna build the first key. You're gonna stack you're gonna first stack two 2x2 plates, and then I'm using two 2x2 corner plates. You can swap these out for a 2x3 plate. And then this is overhanging, and right here you're gonna place a 1x2 brick. Now this 1x2 brick doesn't have the rod inside, so that allows it to slide around, and that goes right here. And then I'm gonna place a 1x1 plate, a 1x3 plate, and a 1x2 plate. Then I'm using a 2x2 tile here. And then I'm going to place a 1x6 tile. And this is overhanging by 4 studs. And then right at the edge, I'm going to place a 1x1 plate. So that's the first key. Now this is up by 1, and that allows the tool to get under here to push some other sliders. Now we're going to build another key. So you're going to need another one of these 1x2 bricks without the rod on the inside. And I'm going to place a 2x2 corner plate right here, and then under here I'm going to place a 1x1 brick. And then I'm going to need a 1x2 tile and another 1x2 tile right here, and then another 1x1 brick right here. So that's the second key. And then there's another hole here for another moving part to go through. So now we're going to build a wall, and first you're going to need a 1x6 brick, and then on top of it you're going to place two 1x6 plates, and then you're going to need a 1x1 tile right here, a 1x1 plate, and a 1x4 plate. Now this tile is where the tool rests. So now we're going to build the second base buildup. So we're going to need a 2x6 plate, and then a 1x6 plate, and another 2x6 plate. Now these are just resting like this. We're going to connect them with a 2x4 plate, a 1x6 plate, a 1x3 plate, and then a 1x1 plate. No, sorry, tile. This is part of where the tool will rest. Then in here, you're going to need another 2x4 plate and a 1x4 plate. Now we're going to go under it. Now you're going to need a 1x4 brick. Well, before we place that, we're going to place a 2x4 brick, and then the 1x4 brick. Sorry, these go here. These don't go here. These go on the opposite side, like that. And then you need a 1x1 brick right here. And then a 1x3 plate right here. A 1x1 plate. And then you're going to need a 1x2 plate, and you're going to stack two 1x3 plates on top of it, like that. And this goes right here. Sorry, these go right here, I think. Okay, so the last part we're going to build is the roof. So I'm going to lay out some pieces here. A 2x6 plate, a 1x10 plate, a 2x10 plate, another 2x2, sorry, these are 2x8 plate. This is a 1x8 plate, and these are 2x8 plates, and a 1x2 plate. Now we're going to connect these with a 4x6 plate right here. Make sure to press that in. Now over here I'm going to place a 6x6 plate. Now the last part of this is to cover this in tiles. And these are the tiles I'm using. 1x4 tile, another 1x4 tile, a 1x2 tile, and 1x2 tile, 1x4 tile, 1x2 tile, 2x2 tile, a 1x2 tile, another 1x2 tile, 2x2 tile, 2x2 tile, a 1x2 tile, 1x2 tile, 1x2 tile, a 1x4 tile, 1x6 tile, 1x4 tile, and the last three 1x2 tiles. And that's the roof. And this indentation is where the tool is going to go. So that's the roof. Laid out everything we've built so far. Now we're going to assemble it, but before we do that, we're going to need 3 1x2 tiles and a 1x6 tile as the tool. So now first we're going to place these tiles. This first one goes right here. Now it's sticking out here. This is what locks the drawer in. And this one goes right here. And then this last one goes right here. And then we're going to place this. this goes right here, and then we're going to place this piece right here, and then this last key right here. And then the drawer is going to go right here. Oops. So this 2x3 plate doesn't go here, it goes right here. So it goes right there. And then this piece goes right here. Make sure the tile is facing that way in the corner, the bottom left hand corner. And then this wall goes right here. And this is where the tool rests. So this drawer isn't locked in yet, so it can just fall out. And then this goes right here, and then this hole right here goes right here. And then the tool just goes right here. And that's the assembly. So that was the full tutorial for this puzzle box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.